Question. DS. Can a circle surround a rectangle? Condition 1. The diameter of the circle is greater than each of the sides of the rectangle. Condition 2. The area of the circle is greater than the area of the rectangle. Solution. Let's solve this DS question using the variable approach. A rectangle has two variables, so C is the most likely answer and a circle has one variable, so D is the most likely answer. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We have to find whether a circle can surround a rectangle. Follow the second and third steps. Let's modify the original condition and the question. Then, we have 2 variables for the rectangle and 1 variable, r equals radius, for the circle. So we have a total of 3 variables from the original condition. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need 3 more equations. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide 1 equation each, it's about 80% likely E would be the answer. Recall 3 principles and choose E as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at conditions 1 and 2 together. Conditions 1 and 2 give us that the diameter of the circle is greater than each length of the sides of the rectangle, and the area of the circle is greater than the area of the rectangle. As seen in the left figure above, the circle can always enclose the rectangle. In this case, the answer to the question is yes. However, as seen in the right figure above, even though the area of the circle is greater than the area of the rectangle, we could still have the rectangle slightly outside the circle while touching some of its borders. In this case, the answer is no. Since we do not obtain a unique answer, conditions 1 and 2 combined are not sufficient by CMT 1, which means that you get both yes and no as the answer. It is not sufficient. I'm explaining in detail because we are in a lesson. Just choose E on the actual exam. That will save you a lot of time and get you the correct answer. Both conditions 1 and 2 together are not sufficient. Thus, E is the correct answer. Answer E.